proxy server and virtual private network. Now these two things are talked together. They are somewhat similar, but they have various differences between them. So in order to understand the difference between VPN and proxy, let me tell you, whenever you through your device, it can be computer, it can be laptop, it can be tablet, whenever you connect to internet, going to website, downloading, uploading or searches, the data is vulnerable. That is, data going and coming is vulnerable. It is not encrypted. It is, your IP is also known. So government or say ISP, it can be Airtel, Jio, whichever, Fido or Bell. Anyone with hacking opportunities or eavesdropper or any adware, they can get control of your data. So now proxy server comes into picture. Proxy server, the data will go through IP only. You will connect to internet through proxy server. So the proxy server working on your device, the IP for example is 11.22.33.44. The proxy server will just change your IP and give its own IP. So the internet will understand that the IP is actually the IP of the proxy server, not yours IP. So this is IP, you can say hiding. Okay. Caching is also done. So the speed can also be increased because anonymity has been achieved, but the data is not still secure because data is open through proxy server, out of the proxy server. Whenever it is going to the web, it is known to everyone. Now comes the VPN. Now VPN has two work. The first work, it exactly does like proxy server. That is, it will hide your IP. The second thing is the content which is going and coming, it is encrypted. Encrypted means the government, ISP, eavesdropper, hacker or anyone else, the data is not vulnerable. Your data is not vulnerable. So encryption and IP hiding is done. So VPN versus proxy. Proxy protects only your browser or a specific app. That is, you have to configure proxy for every app you're using, and you want that this proxy has to be done on these apps. So it works on the application level. While the VPN protects all data going to and from your device. So this works on the operating system level. Proxy works only on the application level. So it will hide your IP. It will also encrypt your data. So as I said, VPN provides you encryption. Proxy does not provide you any encryption. That is, for if you are sending hi, it will go as $@. So nobody will be able to get this data, or even if they get, they will not be able to find anything out of it. So IP hiding is both in VPN and proxy. Okay. IP is a unique ID. Whole world of internet knows you with that IP. So if you're doing private web browsing, you want to change your IP address, don't want to show it, you can use proxy. But if you're doing private web browsing, you want to protect your data or yourself from hacker, from ISP, internet service provider tracking, or you want to hide your IP, you need some anonymity, some safety security, you should go for VPN.